Hot?
No.
Yeah.
Mom, what I did?
Mmm. You got marker all over you.
Huh?
You got marker. Oh no. What happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
Yes. It's okay. But don't wipe it on me, please. What? You want to go wash your hands? Yes. Are you upset now that you have marker? Huh? Here, eat your peppers. No? You're all done? Okay. Can I eat them? What? Can I have one? Oh, thank you. Oh. Mmm. Can mommy eat them? Oh, thank you. Oops. Mmm.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for letting me play my video game.
You're welcome. It's going off soon.
Yay!
Okay? Went down the wrong tube, huh?
What the? Grab double.
Hmm. Oh, thank you. Oops. I dropped it. Dudu, I found you. Where's your... Jace, where's your bus card? Where's your bus card? Turn around. Is your bus card there? Where? Pick it up. It's under the table. Under the chair. Under your chair. Wrong chair. Behind you, baby. Yeah? There's your bus card. You gonna take the bus? Yes.
Are you really?
No. Where you going? Who you gonna go see?
Kitty.
Huh?
Kitty.
Let him answer, okay?
Okay.
Jace, where are you gonna go?
Mommy.
Yes?
Kitty.
You're gonna go see Titi? Okay. Yes, you did. And you were correct. And then you're gonna go visit Mimi? And then you're gonna go visit Mimi? Yeah? Okay. Careful, you're gonna fall. Mama's gonna eat your peppers.
What did you say, Mama?
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Mmm.
Mommy.
Mmm. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're sharing so good. Mmm.
Hungry I am.
You eat it.
Wow. Oh, right.
It's sour, huh?
Okay, I'm gonna No, I stopped the beat for nothing.
You wanna go wash your hands now? Don't touch. Thanks. Come on, let's go wash our hands. All right, thank you.
But this is what I do.